Hello and welcome to Kadabe time. And for today, we're having a side table that we want to renovate and make it look good. First of all, let's grab the brush, which is right there. I put it inside. This is to make it wet, other than keep it outside because it will get dry. So the first thing you have to do is to grab your brush, make it ready, and then grab your paint and start painting. That's all you need to do, right? Just make it dry in a in the wall. I'm using the wall. I have to use it. So let's grab our paint color, white color. Hopefully it will look nice. Other than that, otherwise we will be changing it into a different color. It's all a matter of attempt. So you just gotta shake your paint and go ahead with this one so that you can remove the plastic, and then you just need to open it, right? That's all you need to do. You need to open it and you got it. So let's go and paint these legs. That's all you have to do. It's not difficult, right? Are you excited to see what's gonna happen? Follow me.